The second time I wrote the police officer, I just wrote my doc. You see, Detective Love wrote something fast. But I got to writing part 3. I need a 3. I swear to you, I wrote it. And then once I read the motherfucker, I said, well, I'm through this motherfucker. That was the plan. And then Big Steel taught me to come in part 4. And just like now, I'm doing Swift. So with Swift, we got all about check. 1, he just told me to play a character. Audience loved it. So we did part 2, I come back. Right? He gave me part 3. I said, you motherfucker, you. I'm number 1 on the call sheet.
But it's funny how the people gravitate to you because Swift is the same way. Like he's been doing his scenes, and all of a sudden you become a fan favorite.
He's one of the fan favorites of Trust Nobody. He's like one of the main characters they gravitate to Trust Nobody.
Yeah, I think it's the authenticity that you bring to the role that makes people relate to it. What you think?
Exactly.